Yummy, yummy. I'm making your smoothie, okay? I'm making your food, okay? I'm making your puri. Like it? Go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby. Good job. Love you. Oh, goodness. Guys, careful, sorry. You see, you cannot be riding your bike and then at the same time carrying book. It's not possible now. Can you stop? Don't touch anything there. Stop.
Put your up. Apple.
Okay. Professor, what are you saying? So this you should see you watching chewing apple. Jimmy notebook about phone. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Bye. Mwah, mwah. Yeah, so I'm just collecting kisses from my darling baby boy. He has just been blowing kisses for me. So if I do it this way, at least whenever we want to use the carrot, it will be easier. See, you just take one, it's already washed, then you just cut it. No time. Right. So the way I've washed it this way, whenever we want to use it, is very easier. Like it, you will just take it and then you can eat it raw. You can just cut it and put it in your whatever you want to do. So that's why I just prep it off. Yeah, I peel the skin off. So it's very clean. See, it's very, very clean. And then I'll just know that I have clean carrots in the fridge, because I like, when I was even doing, I was chewing half of it. I like carrots. I chew carrots a lot. The fridge, and I haven't peeled the skin. I don't like taking it. It will just be in the fridge forever. But if I peel it like this, when I open the fridge, I'll just take it and just be chewing it. Yeah, my love. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Happy New Year, friends.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Wow, is it nice?
Wow.
Hot.
Wow. It's hot.
Now then, I'll catch Chinese, Anna. Professor. Now, I'm better than the professor review. Hey, go and chew the meat. Huh? Go. Daddy's calling you. Yes.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna